So, good afternoon everyone. Um, my name is Marjan Morco from Bet Auto 3H presenting what is interjections. So, let's proceed. The word interjection is a word or utterance that expresses emotions. It's used to add emphasis or effect and can be committed without changing the message of the sentence. So there are examples sentence that shows interjection. The first one is, "Whoops, I didn't see you there." "Bam, the door hit her in the face." And most times interjections are followed by an exclamation point to signal a strong emotion. So you can see the example, "Giz," and the last is exclamation point. "Congrats, ha, yeah, hooray, yikes, wow, holy moly." You can see all the examples there are exclamation point in the end of the word. And use a comma or a period after or around the interjection to tone it down a bit or remove undue emotions. And the examples are, "No, I don't care." It's you again." "Oh well, I told you so." "She lost the keys." "Great." "He failed." And let's proceed to another. You can see in these photos the words that describe interjections. "Wow," "good grief," "hey," "ouch," "hooray," "oh," "whoops," "oh no." Let's proceed. And there are six types of interjections. The first one is the interjection of greetings. The second one is the interjection of joy. The third one is the interjection of attention. The fourth one is the interjection of approval. The fifth one is the interjection of surprise. And the last one, the interjection of sorrow. So let's proceed to the first one. So the first one is the interjection of greetings. And interjection of greetings, as the name suggests, this interjection are used when one greets the other. Like for example, "Hi, what's up, hello," etc. The photo shows the interjection of greetings. The woman saying hi and the man saying psst. That is the example of interjection of greetings. So let's proceed to another one. To the second one. The second one is the interjection of joy. Interjection of joy, we use this to indicate joy or happiness. Like for example, "Wow, yippee, hooray, we won the match." And the photo shows the example of interjection of joy. The girl jumping. So let's proceed to the third one. The interjection of attentions. Attention interjections are used to draw attention towards the speaker. Example, "Listen to me," "Look at me," "Listen," "Don't be careless next time." And the fourth one is the interjection of approval. An approval interjection is a word or phrase used to express approval, admiration, or support. So that is the third and the fourth one, interjection. So let's proceed. So this is the fifth one, the interjection of surprise. Interjection of surprise is used to express a sense of surprise by the writer in a sentence. Interjection for surprise express an intense sense of surprise on the happening of something. Like for example, interjection for surprise is, "What? You have breaking the showpiece? Oh." And the last one is the interjection of sorrow. Sorrow interjection is used in a sentence to convey the feeling of a sorrow over something bad that has happened. Like, "Alas, oh, ouch, oops," etc. Let's take some example. "Ouch, I have too much pain." So that is the example sentence given from interjection of surprise. So that is the fifth and the last interjection. Interjection of surprise and interjection of sorrow. So let's proceed. So there are different types of example of interjection. And words that shows spontaneous feeling or emotions. The picture shows the man give her emotions. The man see the picture and give his interjection. Example, wow. The photo shows what the man have reacted. So let's proceed to another example. The first one is, hooray, I won the race. And the man, you can see the man show that's running that represent the race. And the second one is, arg, the car doesn't work. You can see the man that he grab her hair so hard and she looks so angry. So the third one is, ow, the puppy is so cute. And you can see the puppy, it's so cute. That is the example of interjections, different type of interjections. So let's proceed. The last examples is more examples of interjections. As you can see, there are 3 picture shows, and the first one is the cheers represent the bottle that has alcohol, and the second one is the emoji saying, well, her face expresses the interjection examples, and the third one is the dinosaur screaming and thank you. That is the more example of interjection. Interjection are spontaneous feeling or emotion of a person. So I discussed the 6 types of interjection and more examples that I have given. Thank you for watching.